Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to type Python program. So first we will see how to type Python program by using Windows PowerShell. So first try to understand why to use the Windows PowerShell. So first we'll see how to open the Windows PowerShell. So in the search box, type Windows PowerShell. Now in suggestions, it will show the Windows PowerShell. So just click here and Windows PowerShell will get opened. Windows PowerShell is nothing but terminal where you can run commands. Now here we want to execute some Python commands. When you want to do some mathematical calculations quickly or which are complex, and if you want to see the code, if you want to execute small logical code, or if you want to see output for a single line, in such cases, instead of creating Python file again, instead of saving that file, immediately you can see the output by using this terminal. So here on this terminal, first we need to add the Python interpreter to execute the Python commands. So in this path right now Python is not included. So I want to include that Python interpreter. So I will type Python and just press the enter key. Now it shows the existing Python on the machine. Here it shows the Python 3.14.6 is available on this machine. So first basic requirement is you need to install Python on your machine. Friends, if you have not installed Python on your machine, then please check the description box. In the description box, I have given the link for installation of Python as well as PyCharm. And next we are going to execute the program by using PyCharm. Now you can see here on this terminal, I have added path for the Python, means I have added the Python interpreter to execute the Python command. So for example, here I want to execute a single statement. Just I want to check output for this statement. So I am writing print welcome to Python program and just press the enter key. Now it shows that the statement will print welcome to Python programming. And here please make sure that you are writing the message which you want to display within the double quote. Then only you will get the output. Now if I want to do some mathematical calculations, okay, for example this number, any random number you can take, okay, into, and just press the enter key. Like this, for some mathematical calculations, I can use the Python. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These mathematical operations you can do. For example, suppose I am doing 45 plus 45. It is showing 90. For example, I am doing 400 minus 20. So it is showing 380. Suppose I want to do 300 into 45. So it is showing 13,500. So like this, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all the mathematical operations you can perform here, as well as you can print messages or execute line by line code also. For this purpose, you can use the Windows PowerShell, or you can say Python interpreter. Now, if I want to exit from this, then you have to type the exit and symbol for the function exit and just press the enter key. Now you are at your original path without Python. Okay, so this was a simple commands which are executed in Python. But if I want to type some program in the Python, in such cases I can use the PyCharm. Now see, PyCharm is an IDE to execute the Python programs, where I can execute Python programs. So here already I have installed PyCharm on my device, Friends, if you have not installed Python as well as PyCharm on your device, then please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Python and PyCharm on Windows operating system. So here in search box, I will type PyCharm, or I have created desktop icon also. You can either click on desktop icon or you can search for the PyCharm. So this is welcome page for the PyCharm. Now here I want to create a new Python file. So this is a Python icon. So simply you can create here new script, or another option is simply you can create on this new option and new script. Now here whatever code is given by default, so I can delete this code and I can write my own simple logic also. So here suppose I want to display the message print in double quote. Now you have to make sure that whatever message you want to print, you are supposed to give that message in double quote. So here we will type first command print. Now once you type the print, it shows the suggestion. Here I will type a message print welcome to Python programming. To save this file, you can use the Control plus S key, or from here from file you can use save option or save as. Now I want to rename it, so I will use the save as program1.py. Here it shows the directory where your program will get saved. If you want to change the directory, you can change it, or you can keep the same path and just click on OK button. So here your program is saved by using program1.py file. Now I want to execute this program. So just click on execute button. So here it shows the output. Now suppose I'm typing the next statement print, and I want to display message calculator. Okay, and I want to write calculator, and to the new line welcome to the new Python. I want to write calculator functions. Now you can see here I have used this slash n, backslash n. When we give this slash, it is called as a backslash n. So it indicates that your cursor will go to the next line and there it will start the typing. Now you can see here first line is welcome to Python programming and next line is calculator slash n functions. Means after the calculator it will take cursor to the new line and functions will come to the new line. So again execute the program. It shows welcome to Python programming calculator, and to the new line it is a typing functions. Okay, again we'll see how to give the space by using slash t. Okay, so here in control functions, if I give slash t, okay, it gives the space in between calculator functions. So again execute the program. So you can see here for first line it is typing welcome to Python programming. For this second line calculator slash n functions. So it types the output like calculator and functions to the next line. Now here I have given calculator slash t functions. So calculator, again it gives the space, then functions. Now we will see how to give the comments in Python. If I want to give comment to the first line, welcome to Python programming. So this simply you have to give the hash symbol at the start of that line. Now this line is in comment. When we want to give information related to the program, at that time we can use the comment statement. Means this line of code will not be executed. So if you want to give a single line in a comment, so at the start of that line, you can give the hash symbol. Now execute this program. Now you can see here, it is not showing this line, welcome to Python programming. It is not coming in the output because we have kept that line into comment. Okay, so this is a single line comment. Now we will see the multi-line comment. Okay, for this line also I'm giving the single line comment, and suppose these two lines I want to keep as a multi-line comments. So I will give triple quotes here at the start and at the end of these two lines. You can see like the multiple lines also, 4 to 5 line of code also to give the comments. Now execute this program. It executes only this line, print calculator space functions. It is not executing the first two lines as well as a multi-line. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.